Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? If you know, you know, you might as well come on and do it with me. Pause. It's MET. Come on, bro, do it with me, bro. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? Um, we back. You know what I'm saying? It's been like a week. You know what I'm saying? So you know I gotta update y'all on the account and just basically why I haven't been uploaded. It's really simple. It's nothing. I'm not gonna sit up here and make this a 20-minute video when it could really just be like a 5 or 10-minute video. It's gonna be just a quick little update. And first thing first, if you not following me on Instagram, bro, follow me on Instagram, bro. Just click the link in the description below, and I follow back as long as you tell me that you fuck. You know what I'm saying? You came from a YouTube, cause I usually don't just follow random people I just don't know, cause you know they be posting unnecessary shit and just texting unnecessary shit. So if you know what I'm saying, you just be like, yo, bro, I'm from YouTube. All right, boom, I'll follow you back. And just as long as you don't be weird, we cool. We can conversate, talk about trading, all that shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm down for that. So click the link. Fuck. Click the link in the description down below. I'm gonna follow you back. So if you ain't joined the Discord server, man, go ahead and join the Discord server. We got over 450 members in there. I ain't gonna cap, bro. Like it's Discord server lit as fuck. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. We got a winning section where you push your winning trades. Just a general trading section where you talk about, you know, just all types of trading shit. You got a channel in there for so you can see your losing setups. And, you know what I'm saying? People will come together, you know what I'm saying? And we'll be like, okay, we feel like you should have did this better. You know what I'm saying? You should have did this better. At the end of the day, we trying to get you better, bro. So go ahead and join that fucking chat, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. It's free. Come on, man. So yeah, man, I'm trying to see where to start. So first things first. The reason I really wasn't uploading was I ain't gonna lie. Last week, my fault. Right now it's Sunday, 10/29. So last week was just a weird week for me. I ain't gonna lie, like price action just wasn't good, so I wasn't really trying to be on the charts like that. And I wasn't just trying to give y'all like a bullshit video where I just record me, you know, just coming to the charts and just being like, okay, yeah, I'm not really fucking bro, I'm not gonna just put out a bullshit video just for no reason. You feel me? So Monday I lost like 3 times, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like Monday was just not fucking with me. But I can't even blame Monday, to be honest with you. This is just a video just really just talking. I'm really gonna be going over any trades because I didn't really trade a lot last week. So yeah, Monday I got hit 3 different times, but I kept my risk low. Like my risk was low. My stop losses were like y'all know my stop losses. They're not big stop losses. So anytime I lose, it's just like, alright, you know, fuck it. It is what it is. So we lost 3 times on Monday. 2 of the setups I took was just invalid due to just bad price action, and I still decided to get in. So I'll take all fault for that shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna blame it on the markets. I'm not gonna blame it on Q4. I'm gonna blame them 2 losing trades on me. So yeah, I lost that, and so you can see what that count is at right now. I'm starting from the beginning. I'm gonna get up to how I got to there. So yeah, like I said, Monday was just a bad day. Now I can't remember which days I took winning trades on, but I think I didn't trade for like 2 days. Came back, got a win because I'm trading on 2 accounts. I'm trading on this $200 account and I'm trading on my personal account. So I think I took trades on like different accounts, and some, like, so let's say one day I took like maybe 1 to 2 trades on my personal account, not my $200 account. Or one of these days I take, you know what I'm saying, a couple trades on the $200 account and not the, you know what I'm saying, the personal account. So it was really a weird week. And like after, I would say Tuesday, I was just like, look, bro, I think I'm gonna just decide to just take the rest of the week off and just, you know what I'm saying, just trade dolo, because I haven't traded like without the camera on in months. Like every day I hopped on the charts is like I usually always have my camera on, and like I ain't gonna lie, it do get exhausting sometimes. I'm not even gonna sit up here and fake it to you. So you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna just keep it a buck with y'all. Like sometimes it do get exhausted, so I needed me like a little week break. You know what I'm saying? I did miss the camera though. I did miss doing live trades, but bro, when the charts ain't really giving nothing, it was just like, bro, this is the perfect time. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you're not liking what you're seeing, just take a break from the charts. So that's what I did. Um, Now, to sum it up on how I got to 355, right? So I did have a couple winning trades this week. I'm not gonna sit up here and say they were the biggest winners, but you know they was decent. That was like $41 win and some other shit or something. I know for sure one was a $41 win. And now if y'all don't got me on IG, this is where you may not know, or I think I talked about this on YouTube a little bit, but right around when I started this challenge, so I took 2 trades on this $200 account, right? On this account that we on right here. And simply I got my first time I got in, this is weeks ago. I think it was like around 2-3 weeks ago. First time I got in, Hanko Trade, they froze my shit. Like I clicked the buy button and it didn't get me in till like 10 seconds later. And like I was just stuck, just waiting. So let's say I clicked it right here, right? And it gave me a 10-second delay. Now it was all the way up here. You feel me? And then boom, it just melted. I took a fat ass, I'm not gonna say a fat ass loss, but it was a decent sized loss, more than what I wanted to risk. Well, not more than what I wanted to risk, but more than I wanted to stay in the trade. So I was like, okay, that's some weird ass shit. Maybe it's news, some shit I don't know about, right? Now, the second trade I get into around like a minute or a couple minutes after that, and boom, the same shit happened. And I lose again, like a decent amount again. And I'm like, okay, the fuck is going on? So I hit Hanko Trade up. I'm trying to see how to say this. It took them like 3 weeks, maybe. Yeah, I'll give them 3 weeks. It took them 3 weeks after just me constantly just, you know what I'm saying. First time I send them there, they get back to me. They send an email, I get back to them, you know what I'm saying. And after a while, I didn't hear from them so long. I had to text them again. I was like, okay, my bad. And it was just like, just all right, we're looking into it. We got to send it to this team. Thank you for being patient with us. I'm like, bro, can y'all just reimburse me my money and shit? And they was like, well, do you have a clip to prove that shit happened? And I didn't have the exact clip where I got in, but I had the clip after I got in, and I was talking about it. And I think I had the second clip though, with a second entry, but I'm not too sure. It was like a 10-minute clip. Sent that to them. Another 2 weeks go by. I didn't really hear from them. I texted them again like last week. They finally got back to me and they reimbursed me. So that's where they reimbursed me like $121. They said initial 10% or some shit. I don't fucking remember, but they reimbursed me. I posted it on IG. That's why I said follow me on IG. So yeah, that's where we're at now. We're at $355. Didn't really think they was gonna reimburse me because that day really fucked me up, bro. Those were two winning setups. Now think about it. Like I was pissed as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. Those were 2 winning setups, and it was just like, damn, bro. Like I lost 2 setups that I should have won. They both hit, but I fucking lost because you know what I'm saying. It wasn't on my part. You know what I'm saying? It was on their part, and I was asking people around. They was like, yeah, like people who tried to hang go. They was like, yeah, bro, it did the same shit to me. And I was like, hold on, nah, bro. They gotta reimburse me my shit. Something has to happen. So shout out to Hanko Trade. It took a little minute, but hey, I'm not mad. I'm not tripping about it, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, you know what I'm saying, this week, well, last week, it was just me personally. I would say I protected my capital decently, other than them 2 trades I shouldn't have took on Monday. But other than that, last week it was alright, you know what I'm saying? It could have been a way better week for me if I would have just not took those 2 trades. Because after I took them what the fuck? Stuttering shit. Fuck you living at? I can't stutter, bro. But yeah, just other than that, it was an alright week. You know what I'm saying? I got my wins. I usually, after that, I think only took 1 trade per day. And if I did lose after Tuesday, it was only like a break-even loss. So, that's really just an update about that shit. I'm trying to see. I think it's something else I wanted to update y'all on. I gotta look around because I'm trying to see what the fuck it was. I think that's it, to be honest with you. Now we back now. I'm back on the ground. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can this whole week. You know what I'm saying? As long as price action is good. So we just playing it smart, bro. So trading in Q4, especially doing challenges Q4 is crazy as fuck. So. But hey, man, in order to really be a good trader, bro, you gotta be able to trade in all conditions. So hey, honestly, I'm not complaining about this shit. I'm really just testing my skills, and if I could flip it in Q4, I could flip it any other time. Cause me personally, now like I said, Q4 is one of the weirdest times to trade. Price action is just weird, and zones, it's a lot of counter trend moves happening. And a lot of the moves that go with the trend kind of get disrespected. So I'm still, you know what I'm saying, I'm really trying to ease my way into this shit. So, you know, we're just taking it slow, bro. I'm not really trying to put too much pressure on myself. I'm just trading regular and just, you know, hey, like I said, trying to go this motherfucker to 1K. So, hey, man, this is just a quick little update. I didn't want to, you know, bring too much unnecessary bullshit in this video and, you know, all that other shit. So I just wanted to get straight to the point, explain everything I had to say, and just get there. Fuck on. But yeah, man, that's it of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Well, I don't really know how the fuck you enjoyed this video, but hopefully you understand this video. I guess. Shit, I don't fucking know. But yeah, man, make sure to leave a like, bro. Leave a like. You know what I'm saying? If I fuck with you, you know what I'm saying? Leave a like as you click up the video. Please leave a like, bro. That's all I'm asking. You can't leave a like for me, gang? Alright, bro. Now look, let's just say when you in computer trading, right? And I come out of nowhere and smack the shit out you with this. Okay, yeah. This off-brand candle that ain't even got a smell or flavor to this motherfucker. It was me. But yeah, man. I'm just playing with y'all. Just click the fuck off the video. I'm finna stop recording. So you might as well just tilt your phone, get the fuck out of the video.